We're inside the workshop of iconic etching, so we're here with the owners. This is Keith and Kayla. How are you guys?
We're doing great.
Good.
So this is your shop?
It is.
First of all, this is the cleanest shop I've ever been in. It really is.
I'm glad.
This is really, it's like, do you work here?
My grandpa always said that a clean shop was a happy shop. So.
Well, and it is. This is the happiest shop I've been in a very long time.
Yeah, these are coasters for Coors. They just need back. So let me see if I'm on the right thing. Yeah. Okay.
50 backs. This is what it's going to end up in?
These are already done. So these
Oh,
are
those
all
are there.
set. Yep.
Yeah.
And then these get our backs on them. The backs either get printed or etched. In this case, they'll get etched. And then they'll be good to go. So you can press start. And start again.
Enabling laser.
And
Please
if I did
wait.
it right, it'll start going.
Okay. You did good. So in the morning, do you have a list?
Oh, yeah.
It's
You
a
do.
running list.
I am the queen of the list.
Are you a good list?
Yes.
Oh.
We have to have a list. We have a list of running orders. We have a list of what needs to be cut on the lasers. We have a production list.
Have you always been listy?
Yes.
You have. So these skills have really come in handy.
They have, yeah,
Good for
for
you.
sure.
I'd be pretty lost without her. I'm pretty sure about that.
Good for you.
We make a good team on it.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's neat. We're a small team company here, but a lot comes through here. We like I said before, you can get a machine going and go to the next machine, and we put on a lot of steps in a day.
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there a time when you're busier?
Yeah. I would say now till the end of the year is probably our busiest season because we make a lot of awards and race medals, and that's happening in the summertime. And then there's kind of a lull after the holidays because everyone already bought the end of the year stuff.
Yeah.
And then it picks right back up.
Yep.
How did you meet this guy? Was it when he was a sophomore?
No,
Was it after?
when I met him, he actually lived in Colorado. We had mutual friends that were like, I don't know, you guys should meet. And so we did, and we got married like a year later. And
Oh, that's so great.
I had no background in any of this. When he told me he wanted to, he's like, I think we should work together. And I thought, what? And I love it, so.
I'll marry you. I'm not going to work with you.
Right? I know.
It's funny because I didn't have a boss before I got married, and then I got married, and now I have a boss.
That's not going to make air, I don't think.